So what's up, everyone? Today is November the 3rd, 2023. Here to talk about Solana because the high price in Solana has been marked. So from here on out, we are expecting the price in Solana to go down. I know you guys are so nervous. I know you guys are going to say in the comments that's impossible. Solana is one of the best cryptocurrency projects in the market today. It's going to go to the moon. I get it. But just for the time being, we can say that the high is in the market for Solana. I'm going to show you why I say that. Okay, and it happened over the last 2 or 3 trading days. So let me zoom in on this time frame that I'm talking about. You guys can see here, right there on November the 1st, a massive spread move in Solana. Price ran all the way up there to $46.90, and then it got hit with selling, and it closed at $41.15. Look at the volume that came in on that day as well. So there was a lot of selling occurring in the market in Solana on the 1st of the month. Then take a look at what happened the next day. People felt on the close of Solana on November the 1st that price at $41 was so cheap that they wanted to come in and buy. It was on discount, and that's why the market in Solana rose on November the 2nd to a high of $44.57. But then take a look at what happened after that. The market still closed towards the bottom of the price bar, letting us know that selling is still present in Solana. The high is marked. The high price in Solana has been marked. The market is telling us that this is where the sellers definitely have a stronghold. So how low could we see the price in Solana go? Because everyone in the cryptocurrency space has anticipated that this could be the start of the massive bull run. Could be. But if we're going to continue on that track, market will still come down. There will be days, multiple days, to where these cryptocurrencies will go lower. And I think we may be in that initial stage right now in Solana. All right? Because this high volume is definitely something that we haven't seen into the market in Solana ever since July. Look at that. And look what happened then. When we saw this much volume hit Solana, at that moment, price went down. So let's do this. Look at this on a different time. How does that look? Look at that 2-day price bar. It's telling you that the high is marked. It's kind of like a blow off. Like the market had so much energy to move up there to 47.50. And it just released. All of the selling just hit the market in Solana. And the market closed down there towards the bottom. It is on the 3. So how low do you think price is going to go? Right? How low? Will we come all the way back down and test this area? Will the market in Solana come all the way down and test this area? Will the market in Solana come down and test this trend line? Where will it go? Solana on the 5. Solana on the weekly. 2 days and 14 hours, we're already seeing this weakness indicator being triggered. It's giving you a heads up now. It's telling you right now. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. We're still seeing indication that the market is weak in Solana. Look at this. This is where the breakout started, right? And the trend has been broken. It broke on this 330-minute bar. It attempted to break back up above that trend line, and look what happened since. So I do think Solana is going to go lower right now. My only problem is trying to figure out, okay, how low can it go? Okay, I like that. Look at this. I can see right here that this is where the buyers are hitting the market. That has to continue. So yeah, there's a slight chance that we can see the market buyers continue to hold price in Solana around $38. But given the time frames, the daily time frames and the weekly chart so far, I don't think the market's going to be able to hold. They're holding it right now, but to me, I don't think they're going to be able to hold it that long. All right, so let me put this on the chart, and we're going to anticipate that Solana is going to go lower in price. The first target is going to be around $35.40, give or take. Second target is going to be down there around 32, which is 16.5% move to the downside. Okay, so these are the only two targets right now that we're going to look for in Solana to move. Okay, now as long as the market in Solana stays below the high of this particular day, November the 2nd, we think it has a greater probability to continue to trend down. And seeing how price has broken that trend line on the hourly chart, the market in Solana may try to hit this trend line on the daily. So we don't have too far to go to see the market in Solana test this trend line. Don't have too far to go. So I would definitely be on the lookout for that. Okay. And that's on the daily time frame. But let's go ahead and extend this over. That is it. Just be prepared, because it's been a great run to the upside in Solana. Just be prepared for the market to come down and test that trend line. I'm not saying that it is, but just be prepared. You know, for if it does happen, you won't get to be caught off guard and say, well, why would the market in Solana fall all the way down 30%? Just prepare it into your mentality right now, just in case. All right, so that's it. You're up. Give me your thoughts. Hit the like button. If you don't subscribe, make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.